Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Now, in this brief video, I'm going to show you how to ensure that your WhatsApp is locked with a password or a passcode. Now, many of us might have two WhatsApp on our phones. One WhatsApp is considered to be the normal WhatsApp, which is here, as you can see. Okay, this is a normal WhatsApp. The WhatsApp which is further up is considered a business WhatsApp. Now, when you have two WhatsApp on the phone or on your phone, you would like to have a certain level of privacy from your kids or from anyone else that normally plays with your phone. So in order to activate the lock on any WhatsApp, what you need to do, you have to go to that WhatsApp itself. You're going to tap on it, the WhatsApp. Now, when you go to that section of the WhatsApp, you'll have the interface of all the different conversations that you have had over the past period. Now, in order to get access to the section where you can enable a password on your WhatsApp device, you're going to have to go to the top here where you have the three dots. After that, you want to click on the three dots and you'll get to this a sub interface. Now, when you get to this section, you want to go to the bottom where it's a setting here, as you can see. After you get to settings, you need to tap on it. Tapping on settings will take you over to another sub platform within the settings area. You first have to scroll down, and I highly recommend that you come over. You get familiar with all these segments because they'll help you in the future. And please stay tuned to this platform because I try to endeavor to give videos of how to do things using various platforms or devices in your lives. So what we're going to do, we're going to tap on account, which is here. And after that, after tapping on it, we're going to get to this interface. And this is another sub section of the previous. Now we have security, notification, we have two-step verification, we have change number, requests, account information, delete my account. Now what we're going to do, we're going to go to the second option where it says two-step verification. This is what allows you to lock your WhatsApp with a pass number or password. So what you're going to do, you're going to tap on it. On tapping on it, you're going to get to this section where they'll ask you for turning on the security platform of your WhatsApp. Here it says for extra security, turn on two-step verification, which will require a PIN when registering your phone number with WhatsApp again. So what you're going to do, you're going to tap on the option here. Yeah. I'm going to tap on it. Let me just get rid of this. Yes. Now, after tapping, you'll get to this segment. Now, here it's where you enter a 6-digit password code for locking your WhatsApp. And say I want to do a passcode which would be 555555. In the second section, they'll ask you to confirm it. So you're going to enter 555555. Now, when you get to this area, you have the option of entering your email. That will be a second way of verifying that you are the owner of the account. Or you can simply skip this segment. Here it says add an email so you can reset your PIN if you forget it. You have the option of skipping. You have the option of letting it entering an email that you can use for a backup recovery plan. So we're going to, for this tutorial, let me just say put my email in. On putting my email in, you're going to tap on next. On tapping on next, they're going to ask you to confirm your email address again. Then you're going to tap on save. On tapping on save, you're going to give it some time until the system stores your information. After that, what you're going to do, you're going to go to the bottom here where it says done. Tap on done, and here you go. You've enabled a password segment to your WhatsApp, where if you want to use your WhatsApp or anyone touches your phone, they cannot get access to the platform without having to enter the passcode. Now let me just go out to show you what is happening. So again, I have two WhatsApp. This is WhatsApp number 1 here, and the other is WhatsApp number 2. So this is a normal WhatsApp for my really personal affairs, and the business WhatsApp is considered to be something that is related to my business ventures. So let's test this out. We're going to tap on say the business WhatsApp, and let's see what happens. Tap, just go out. Yes. Now this is what happens. When you exit and you want to go back in, it requires that you enter the two-step verification PIN. So one thing I've realized with this enablement of a PIN, it shows you a, say, background view of some of the chats that you are having. However, it doesn't allow you to pass and go into a chat to respond or to read the messages until you enter the PIN, which is of a 6-digit number. Let's go. So we have 555555. Now on tapping that, you can then see that I have access to all the previous chats that I have. I can go in and I can read whatever information I would like to get. So I hope you've gotten a lot of information from this brief video. Do not forget to subscribe, like it, share the content, and have a look at the other videos I have on this YouTube platform and then on my other YouTube platform. Thank you a lot. Thank you for showing me love. Share this video and give me some likes. Thank you and bye.